This is the student dashboard. From here, you can access all the sections of the Reading Horizons Elevate software. In the middle of the dashboard is the My Next Step box. This box highlights the next recommended action for you to take. Clicking Go will take you directly to that recommended action. If you are ever unsure of what to do, it is a good idea to click the Go button. If you want to visit other sections of the software, you can do so using the main menu. When you click on the main menu icon, you will see a list of all sections in the software: Lessons, Library, Vocabulary, Dictionary, Games, Badges, Pronunciation, and Student Report. This is the Home button. Clicking Home from anywhere in the software will take you back to the student dashboard. You can also access the Badges section by clicking on the Badges icon on the top right side of the screen. The number next to the Badges icon shows how many badges you have already earned. To the right of the Badges icon is the Coins icon with the number of coins you currently have. At the far right corner is the Student menu, which includes your name and a downward pointing triangle. When you click on the Student menu, it will display a link to the software tutorials as well as a log out link, which you use to log out of your account and return to the login screen. Review this video and all other tutorial videos at any time by clicking on the Tutorials link from the Student menu.